Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss pinning record in Dynamic 365 CE in Unified Interface. So in your left hand side of the navigation pane, you will see Recent and Pinned section. So right away, no records are pinned. You can pin record from recent items only at this point. Like if you expand the recent section from here, you can over the record to find the pin appear on the record which you want to pin. So like I want to pin my active account and Alex Baker. Once you pin this record, now they will appear in your pin area. Since your recent record would change over time as continue to access different record. In case you want to remove this record, you can also unpin by clicking on the unpin icon. Now it is not visible in the pinned section. So benefits of pinning record. This save time, keep you organized and help you stay focused on what matter most. What's great is that it is personalized so each user can pin the record they need and it works seamlessly across desktop, tablet and mobile device. And good thing is that pin record are available all other app as well. So you could be any app and you will retain all the pinned item. So in this video, we covered pinning record in Dynamic 365 CE. Thanks for watching.